This is Motorola Moto G42, and in this video we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. First of all, you want to launch the settings. Next, enter the apps category. At the apps category, you want to head straight for the default app section. Here choose browser app, and at the default browser app page, simply select Opera. Therefore, setting it as your default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let me show you this way as well. Here, once at the Opera, at the bottom right corner, you'll find your avatar, then settings. Scroll the page down for a little bit until you stumble upon the default browser section. Click on next, select Opera and choose to set it as default browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.